quick one. This little Fiat Stilo, the speedo, it's gone mad. Like, it's, well, there was a display on there with the mileage on all the time, even if the car is on. If the keys were at the ignition overnight, it would still be on for the whole night. But now I've just pulled it out of there and taken it out to see what's going on behind there. Plugged it back in. That's not working anymore. But look, turn the ignition on. You got airbag light coming on. Your passenger side airbag flashing, saying be careful, turn it off if you have a baby seat there. But you don't get like power steering, your battery warning light, the engine management light, the fuel gauge isn't working, temperature gauge isn't working, rev counter is stuck at what 600 rpm, 500 rpm. But yeah, something like that. Speedo not working. So we need to send this off to a company, and they will do the repair. It costs £120, and then it'll come back working.